Yesterday, something came up with the fortune. Tim the Toolman Taylor here, and today we're gonna talk tools. We got a new dog. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping in, go down below, hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Today we're going to be working on the new vehicle. Like I said in the last video, if you guys watched it, I picked up another new vehicle. It's not a truck, it's not diesel. It's going to be kind of like a commute vehicle to when the I work on some build. Let me go back. Some buildings that I work on for my actual full-time job are in Portland by OHSU. If any of you guys know that area in Portland, it's super tight, windy roads, and the buildings that I work at are on really steep hills. And the truck, I'd have to park about a half mile to a quarter mile down the road and then haul all of my tools, which would be a pain in the butt. Yes, I have the Milwaukee pack-out systems, but I'm not using them right now. But still, it'd be a pain in the butt to have to drag them up and down a hill multiple times in a day, you know, running back and forth to the truck to grab certain different tools. Rather than just parking in the parking lot like I normally would at all the other buildings. So this vehicle is for that whole reason right there. So that might give it away a little bit. But anyways, I'm going to jump to a clip here of me and the wife out screwing around the other day in the snow with it. And then we'll get to talking about it. You better do something cool.
It is something like 20 degrees outside. Just a boy who's Yoda. This front-wheel drive faggot. What is this? He's gonna blow this car. Give it a rest. Give it a rest,
Alright, so as you guys can see, it is a 2005 Toyota Camry. Nothing special. 131,000 miles on it, one owner. I dropped it off the other day at the tire factory, as you guys can see, because we just put these new Facebook Marketplace deal. I told you guys, I have been hitting up Facebook Marketplace, getting all the good deals. I hit 400 bucks. Can we just talk about how cheap car parts and tires are and for these things? It's insane. But 400 bucks Marketplace. They fit multiple different vehicles. They were off a Subaru, but they're like brand new tread, if you guys can see in there. Brand new. These are like a studless winter tire, so they'll be perfect for this winter, and then I'll end up getting a different set of wheels and tires for the summer. But got a smoking deal on this thing. It gets great gas mileage, so that was a big benefit of picking this thing up. Like I said, nothing crazy. I'm not going to put this car on the channel a lot or anything. It's not the intent of it, and I wasn't going to make a whole video about it, but I wasn't going to upload this week, so I thought it's better to upload than not upload because I didn't want to miss a week. And this week I had to get everything done to it. So like you guys saw, I dropped it off at the tire factory. And it's one thing that's nice about having multiple vehicles is I can drop this off, leave it there all day while I'm at work, and then I get home from work, go pay for it and pick up the keys and bring it home without having to, you know, get stranded somewhere for the day or get stranded at the tire factory all day long while they do the work and then leave after it's done. So having multiple vehicles is nice now that we have 3 plus the 430 inside there, which I actually need to go and start that up. But Tire Factory, they threw on the new winter tires for me, and they put new rotors on, and we did new brake pads. Also got an alignment, and then the other thing I need to get ASAP is get a new windshield, because I don't know if you guys can see. Let's go on the inside, you might be able to see it better. So yeah, I can see right there, cracked windshield. Got to get that replaced because not only is it unsafe, pretty sure it's illegal, and it's just annoying as hell, and your sight of view, it just drives me nuts driving it. So just a couple things that I got going on. I'm also gonna do an oil change on it, and then like I said, I gotta do an oil change. So I got synthetic oil here from O'Reilly's, new oil filter and cabin filter, because I always recommend after you get a new vehicle to do an oil change, because you never know how long it's been since the previous owner did one. But I know that the lady was really good about taking it into either Midas, which I wouldn't recommend, or the dealership every 3,000 to 4,000 miles to get the oil change, as well as tires rotated, all that stuff. It was an older lady, so the car was maintained pretty well. It's not perfect. You guys saw the cracked windshield. It's a little bit of bumper damage. She like ran into a trash can or something. It wasn't an accident because there was nothing reported, or at least she didn't report it. Like I said, it was an older lady, so who knows what happened. She could have ran into a freaking grocery cart or something. But I gotta get the oil changed on it. Then as you can see right here, I got a bunch of gifts that my wife got me for Christmas. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys got any truck parts from your wife, significant other, mom, dad, grandma, and grandpa. But we'll be throwing those on in an upcoming upload. But I'm gonna get this oil changed out, and then we'll see what happens from there. Alright guys, so I'm wrapping up the oil change now, and I was swapping out the cabin air filters, and I just thought I'd show you guys how disgustingly bad the old one was. You can see how black it is and corroded with all the leaves and everything versus the brand new one. I've never personally seen one that bad before. My wife said that she has on her car, which shame on her for letting it get that bad. I didn't even see that it was that bad. I just got a new one because I figured, like I said, just replace it all. That way you're starting fresh. Definitely happy I did, but I'm gonna go throw this in now and then clear the maintenance light, which I'll show you guys here in a second. So I just got the oil change done, and as you can see, the maintenance required light is on up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. And then it says to hold down my odometer button. So hold it down, shut the vehicle off while holding it down still. Turn it back on without fully turning it on, just in the on position. Zeros will come up. Maintenance right reset. Boom! That easy. Nice. Sweet, it's gone. Came back on there for a second, kind of scared me, but just the dash lights coming on. So it's been a couple days since that last clip because it got late that night when I was working on the car and I had to take care of some household stuff and everyday stuff. And then yesterday, unfortunately, when we went to take the Fortune out, we ran into a little bit of a problem that needs to be a little bit expedited. So next video, you guys are gonna see what's going on with that, because we're up to like 11:30, 12 o'clock last night just working on that. But anyways, I hope maybe this video helps some of you guys out. I know it wasn't my like normal content on truck stuff or anything diesel. It would be cool if it was diesel Camry, but just thought I'd share that with you guys, because otherwise I would have not put a video out this week. But like I said, next week will be Fortune content. Also, we got a new dog, Ruger. Ruger, come here. So this little guy right here, we named him Ruger, obviously, but he's a German Short Pointer and Brittany, Brittany what?
Spaniel. Brittany
Spaniel mix. Super cute. 3 months. He is actually born one day after Remy, so it was kind of like we had to get him. Totally unplanned. We went to the freaking feed store just to look, because every time we stopped by to look at all the dogs, and we ended up getting him. But yeah, so we got a new dog, and then also right before, say hi to Octane. He's in every video.
He's gonna sit next to Mommy.
Yeah, they've been having a lot of fun lately, so it's nice for Octane to have someone to play around with and hang out with in the backyard as well.
Shit back there.
Yeah, he's freaking. We're training him still, but he's doing really good. He's been coming to work with me the last week, and finally today's the first day he's went without throwing up in the car. But also Kenzie decided she wanted to get freaking birds, so we got 2 birds as well. I don't know much about them,
but hold on, we got birds before we got.
Yeah, we got birds before we got the dog.
And then
so
Connor,
right before Christmas, we went to Petco to get food and natural balance for freaking Octane, and she wanted to get a bird. So we ended up coming back getting 2 birds, and then freaking right before Christmas we got him.
Yeah.
So we got another dog, 2 new birds. We're practically running a zoo over here. So if anyone comes over, I'm gonna charge them an admission fee. There's always so much going on in our household. I feel like now, ever since Remy's been born, we are busier than hell, and we're just adding to it. This isn't my normal upload, like I said before, but it's what I had going on this week. I had to get it done because of where I was working at. I needed the car to be able to get to work, and I needed to do the regular maintenance stuff on it. And it kind of took priority over the headliner, unfortunately. I plan on doing this week. And I plan on doing it in next week's upload too, but it's going to end up getting pushed back one more week because of the problem that came up. But I appreciate all you guys for watching this upload. If you enjoyed it or it helped you guys out, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you're new here, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next upload.
Yeah, that's better. It looks like you're like selling your tools.
It makes me nervous when I'm staring at you, but that's okay. It's almost easier.
Goddamn right.
Tim the Toolman Taylor here, and today we're going to talk tools.